वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। तो केमिकल काइनेटिक्स के प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन के सीरीज में आज हम देखने वाले हैं जून 2017 के क्वेश्चन। ये मैंने एक टेबल बनाया है, इसमें केमिकल काइनेटिक्स को कौन से ईयर में कितने मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन आया था वो लिखा है इसमें। मैक्सिमम मार्क्स फॉर केमिकल काइनेटिक्स वाज आस्किंग इन जून 2017। तो आज हम 66 मार्क के क्वेश्चन देखने वाले हैं। ओके, लगभग हर एग्जाम में एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 10 मार्क्स के लिए काइनेटिक्स पूछा जाता है, तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। Okay? Let's read the first question. In this question, the question is, in kinetic study of chemical reactions, slopes are drawn at different times in the plot of concentration of reactant versus time. हमें ग्राफ दिया है concentration of reactant versus time. That is, reaction is reactant is converted into product. Okay, reactant is converted. The magnitude of slope with increase of time. As time passes, what is the slope of the line? How concentration of reactant is changing with time. If we see, the concentration of reactant must be decreasing because it is converting into product. Consider at 0 time, concentration was something 100, and that time product was 0. Next, some 5 minutes, it will become 80 and product was 20. It's like concentration of reactant is decreasing. The graph was like this. Concentration of reactant is decreasing. Okay, हमें पूछा है magnitude of slope with increase of time. As time passes, the slope how much changes? Is increases after time increase, decreases or constant? Okay, if you see here in this case at some time, for example here 0 scale, 5 minute, 10 minute, 20 minute, 30 minute. Okay, the slope here is straight line. Straight line has large slope, but here as time passes the slope was decreasing. Okay, here a straight line, that is slope was 0 for this straight line. Okay, that is slope was decreasing as time passes. Therefore, our correct option is C option is the correct for question. Okay. We see the next question. In this question, what is asking? Read the question. In this question, given a, if the pre-exponential factor in Arrhenius equation is, pre-exponential factor given a 1.6 into 10 to the power 12 per second, the value of the rate constant at extremely high temperature will be close to. हमें given है Arrhenius constant, that is pre-exponential factor. Okay, it is value is 1.6 into 10 to power 12 per second. Okay, हमें Arrhenius equation मालूम है, k is equal to a e raised to minus a by RT, और इस इक्वेशन में जो T है टेम्परेचर ये एक्सट्रीमली हाई बोला है. ओके, इसका मतलब इफ यू कंसिडर e raised to some power minus a upon RT, if T is very high, that is very high मतलब infinite. Okay, that is e raised to minus a upon r into infinite. Okay, that is this quantity is very large. This quantity is very large, infinite quantity. If we divide, for example, 1 by infinite, okay, answer comes out to be 0. Okay, that is e raised to 0 मतलब 1 होता है. ओके, तो हम यहाँ पे इस टर्म को 1 कंसिडर करेंगे बिकॉज e raised to 0 is 1, because we divide EA by very large number, that is infinite temperature, that is it comes out to be 0. Okay, here we write k is equal to a into e raised to 0, that is k is equal to a, e raised to 0 is 1, that is k is equal to a, means व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ, हमें पूछा है रेट कांस्टेंट का वैल्यू पूछा है, दैट इज के. ओके, के इज सिमिलर एज a because k is equal to a, that is 1.6 into 10 to power 12, that is first option is the correct option. Okay, we see the next question. Okay, ये एंजाइम कैटालिसिस का क्वेश्चन है, इसमें क्या पूछा है रीड कीजिए. इन एंजाइम कैटालाइज्ड रिएक्शन गिवन है, यहाँ पे K2 गिवन है 3.42 into 10 to power 2, इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ एंजाइम गिवन है 1 into 10 to power -2 मोल पर dm क्यूब. द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी पूछा है, दैट इज Vmax पूछा है हमें, and turnover number using Michaelis-Menten kinetics. Turnover number means K2. Okay, K2 पूछा है. They have given the K2 value 3.42 into 10 to power 4. Okay, in which option this value is turnover number given 3.42 into 10 to power 4 is given in first option this value. Okay, then also in second option. Okay, therefore in this last option this value is wrong. Okay, therefore we neglect last two options. Okay. Our answer may be option first or second. For confirm this answer, we find the Vmax. Okay. We find the Vmax for confirming the answer. The Vmax, our equation is rate is equal to Vmax into concentration of substrate by Km plus concentration of substrate. Okay. Therefore Vmax is equal to, the formula है K2 into E0, that is initial concentration of substrate. Okay, K2, you know the K2 is given 3.42 into 10 to power 4 second inverse. Okay, and E0 initial concentration of enzyme is 1 into 10 to power -2. It's also given 1 into 10 to power -2 mole per dm cube. Okay, if we do the multiplication, answer comes out to be 10 to power -2 cancels to this, here comes out to be 10 to power 2, that is 3.42 into 10 to power 2 mole dm power -3 second inverse. Okay, in which option this value is given? Vmax 3.42 into 10 to power 2, that is first option is the correct option for this question. Okay, now let's move to next question. In this question, what is asking, read the question. In Arrhenius equation for two chemical reactions are K1 is equal to A1 e raised to minus E1 by RT, K2 is equal to A2 e raised to minus E2 by RT. If E1 is greater than E2, then at given temperature T, four options given है हमें, K1 by K2 is less than A1 upon A2, K2 by K1 is less than A2 by A1, K1 K2 greater than A1 A2, K1 plus K2 is greater than A1 plus A2. ये फोर ऑप्शन हमें गिवन है. ये क्वेश्चन थिंकिंग का क्वेश्चन है, आप इसे रीजनेबली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. देखते हैं हम कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. हमें गिवन है E1 is greater than E2. फर्स्ट गिवन है K1 is equal to A1 e raised to minus E1 by RT and K2 is equal to A2 e raised to minus E2 by RT. Okay, at given term, that is टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है क्वेश्चन में. ओके, और हमें गिवन है E1 is greater than E2. ओके, E1 is greater than E2. E1 का वैल्यू ज़्यादा है E2 के वैल्यू से, मगर यहाँ पे हमें साइन नहीं दिया. यहाँ पे साइन क्या है इस इक्वेशन में? माइनस साइन है, दैट इज e raised to minus E1 by RT and here e raised to minus E2 by RT. अगर साइन के हिसाब से देखा जाए यहाँ पे E1 ग्रेटर देन है, मगर यहाँ पे निगेटिव साइन है, Okay, that is negative number. Large negative number is smaller. Okay, is small, and it is smaller number e2 is small, but it has negative sign, therefore it is large value. It has large value. That is here equal to term is smaller, that is k1 is small, here equal to term k2 is larger, k2 is large. Okay, and vice versa we do for a1 and a2. Therefore a1 is large and a2 is small. Okay, and then we verify the options. Okay, therefore what is first option is k1 by k2. k1 by k2 यदि I less than a1 by a2. a1 by a2. Consider k1 is a small number, that is small number divided by k2 is large number. Large number. Okay, answer comes less, answer is comes something point fraction answer come. Okay, is greater than a1 by a2. a1 is large. Large divided by small. Okay, then this option may be correct. Okay, we verify the next option. This first option can be verified and it is correct. We see the next option. Here is given k2 by k1. k2 is large and k1 is small. Okay, is less बोला है हमें, large number divided by small number. It definitely greater than 1. Okay, then a2 by a1. a2 is small by large. Small by large number. Okay, ये रॉन्ग लग रहा है ना, ये लार्ज अपॉन स्मॉल, ये आंसर आएगा लार्ज, आंसर आएगा समथिंग 1 पॉइंट, 1 से ज़्यादा ही आएगा, और बोला है इज लेस देन स्मॉल बाय लार्ज, ये पॉइंट में आएगा, फ्रैक्शन में 0 पॉइंट में, 0 पॉइंट समथिंग एक्स आएगा, और ये 1 पॉइंट समथिंग एक्स आएगा. ओके, एक्स या टू भी आ सकता है, 1 या 2 से ज़्यादा भी आ सकता है, मगर ये रॉन्ग है. ओके, therefore सेकंड ऑप्शन रॉन्ग है, फर्स्ट में बी करेक्ट. ओके, we now verify the third option. Okay, we verify the third option. In third option we have given k1 into k2, that is k1 is small into large, k2 is large, is greater than small into large. Okay. For multiplication we can't verify the which one is greater and which one is smaller, therefore third option may be neglected. Okay, this is the fourth option. For addition also same thing is there, but for division we can guess the which one is greater and which one is smaller, therefore first option is correct option. Now we move to next question. In this question क्या पूछा है हमें, photochemical decomposition of HI takes place with the following mechanism. ये mechanism दिया है, IA the intensity of light है, HI on intensity of light gives H plus I, H plus HI gives H2 plus I, और इस रिएक्शन के लिए रेट कांस्टेंट है K1, और सेकंड रिएक्शन दिया है उसके लिए रेट कांस्टेंट है K2. हमें पूछा क्या है, कंसिडरिंग हाइड्रोजन एंड आयोडीन एटम्स इंटरमीडिएट, हाइड्रोजन और आयोडीन एटम्स इंटरमीडिएट है, द रेट ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ HI. ये पूछा है रेट ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ HI, तो हम बाय स्टेडी स्टेट अप्रोक्सीमेशन सॉल्व करते हैं. ओके, रेट ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ HI पूछा है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, माइनस डी ऑफ HI बाय dt, दैट इज रेट ऑफ रिमूवल पूछा है, दैट इज रिमूवल मतलब डिक्रीज होना. ओके, देयरफॉर आई टेक अ नेगेटिव साइन इज इक्वल टू. ओके, और फर्स्ट रिएक्शन HI ऑन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ IA, यहाँ पे मैं वो रिएक्शन लिखता हूँ, HI IA gives H plus I. Okay, we apply the steady state approximation. HI is decomposing, therefore it takes minus sign, therefore IA into HI. Okay, second reaction also HI is there, this reaction is H plus HI in presence of K1 gives H2 plus I. Okay, here is also HI is decomposing. Therefore, here is also negative sign, and its rate constant is K1 into concentration of H into concentration of HI. Okay, but we know the in rate equation the only reactant term is there, no intermediate. Okay, intermediate concentration we can't find. Therefore, H is the intermediate, HI is the reactant. Reactant concentration we can measure. There is also HI. Reactant concentration we can measure, but concentration of H we can't measure. Therefore, we find the concentration of intermediate H and put in the this equation. Therefore, concentration of H is we can find. Therefore, concentration of H is equal to, first here in we have to see in which equation H is there. Okay, in first and second equation only H is there. Therefore, in first reaction, that is HI in presence of IA gives H plus I, and H plus HI in presence in K2 is the rate constant for this H2 plus I. Okay, then from this we have find the H concentration. In first reaction H is forming, therefore we take a positive sign, that is IA, its rate constant like IA concentration of HI. Okay, in second reaction H is decomposing, therefore we take a negative sign, minus K2 concentration of H concentration of HI is equal to 0 by steady state approximation. Concentration of intermediate equals to 0. Therefore, we have to find the concentration of H by this equation. Okay, concentration of H becomes, now arrange this equation, K2 into concentration of H concentration of HI equal to minus IA to concentration of HI. Okay, minus sign we cancel them. Concentration of HI will cancel. Okay, concentration of H will become, I am writing here, concentration of H is equal to, this K2 is multiplied here, multiplication, here it will divide. Okay, that is IA upon K2. Concentration of H becomes IA by K2. So we put this here and find the answer. So I am putting is equal to this minus IA into HI minus K1 into, here is K1. This is for reaction, by mistake I have written the K2. For second reaction rate constant is K1 here. Okay, this K1 into IA by K1, the concentration of HI. Okay, this K1 gets cancelled. Okay, then equation becomes minus IA into HI minus IA HI. So solving this, we get this IA minus IA will get plus. Okay, therefore 2 times of IA HI. Okay, in which option there is a 2 IA? Compare this equation with your options. Okay, our answer contains 2 IA. Okay, therefore C option contains 2 IA. Therefore C is the correct option.